Welcome to this tutorial on creating hyperlinks in WordPress. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. When you load the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you will find an option labeled Login. Selecting this option will start the process of accessing your account on WordPress. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several options for signing in. To simplify the process, choose the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. When you click on Continue with Google, a selection of your available Google accounts will be displayed. Choose the appropriate account that you wish to use. This step streamlines your login experience by leveraging your existing Google credentials. Once you have successfully signed in, your WordPress dashboard will display several features. Look for a section known as Quick Links. In this section, locate and select the option labeled Edit Site. Entering the site editor is an essential part of customizing your website. The editor provides you with a range of options to adjust content, design, and functionality. Within the site editor, identify the text that you want to convert into a hyperlink. This selection should be a clear, deliberate choice of the word, phrase, or section, which will serve as a clickable link. Clicking the designated text signals your intent to modify its properties. This action is the starting point for linking your content to another web page or resource. With your text selected, turn your attention to the navigation bar provided in the site editor. In this toolbar, you will find an icon that represents the function of adding a hyperlink. This icon, often symbolized by a chain or link image, is your gateway to entering the necessary URL that will define your hyperlink's destination. Click on the hyperlink icon to proceed to the next step. Once the hyperlink tool is active, you will have the opportunity to enter the specific link. Carefully type in the URL of the page you want your text to direct to. It is important at this stage to input the address exactly as it should appear when visited. Accuracy is key, as even small errors in the URL can lead visitors to an unintended location or produce a broken link. After you have successfully typed in the correct URL, complete the process by clicking on the link or page element within the interface. This final action confirms the linking process by associating your selected text with the provided URL. The hyperlink is now active and will allow users to access the destination page when they click on the text. Following these clear and straightforward steps ensures that you have effectively created a hyperlink in WordPress. Each action in the process has been designed to be simple, while providing you with a powerful way to enhance your website's navigation and connectivity. With continued practice, these steps will become an integral part of your website editing routine, making it easier each time you update your WordPress site. Enjoy the newfound ease and efficiency in managing your site's content with this hyperlink creation process.